You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this yummicious chin chin. Looking so beautiful, attractive, and also yummy. So stay back, Axel, work together. First, you need your flour, you need your sugar, you need your eggs, you need cornstarch, you need cinnamon or baking nutmeg, you need vanilla flavor, baking powder, salt, butter, and lastly you need milk, no water. That makes our chin chin the best. I'm using 2 cups of milk. So we'll start by adding the dry ingredients, all dry ingredients, and I will stir very well just to incorporate the ingredients before I start mixing in the liquid ingredients. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to explore my channel. Don't just watch this and go away. Feel free to check out other videos. I have more than 500 videos. I know you're going to learn a lot from my videos, and feel free to share to your friends and family. I'm also on Facebook, Progressive Recipes. I'm also on Instagram, Progressive Recipe. I'm also on Telegram. In case you want to chat with me, feel free to go to my Telegram, Progressive Recipe. Feel free to chat with me directly, and I will really appreciate that. And you also feel free to share your own work, what you have learned from my channel, your own work, and I will really be happy to appreciate that. So add the eggs, you add your vanilla flavor. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. So before you start adding in the milk, little at a time as you mix. Like I said, I'm not using water for this chin chin. I just want it to be really delicious. But if you know that your customers will not pay well, please use little milk and at least half cup of milk and water for the rest missing. But if you know they will pay well, go for the milk. And this milk is evaporated. You can also use fresh milk, but evaporated milk tastes better than the fresh milk. So you can even use coconut milk. Take your time to mix till you have that lovely dough. Yes, beautiful, not soft dough, not hard, but at least let it be firm. Take your time and mix this, because if it's soft, too soft, it will not be fine. It will be like will I call it like it will be melting inside the oil. It will just be dissolving in the oil when it's too soft. If it's too hard, you have a very hard chin chin. But when it's just firm, you're good to go. Inside will be soft, crispy, and looking as in it will look so attractive. So just get the right measurement. I will be placing the measurement on the video. If you started this video from the beginning, you will see the measurement displaying on the screen. So make sure you have the correct measurement. Like this, I'm okay. I'm not adding any liquid again. I have to just mix in till everything is combined. The dough is soft, it's just firm. It's very nice. So just take your time and do this. You see, very soft, not like it's too soft, yeah, but it's firm. So I have to do this till I'm done. I will start the cutting process. You can start the cutting process little at a time. Don't just carry all the dough on your work surface. Sprinkle little flour on the surface and you start working it down. Take your time to do this. So that's one good thing I need to tell you about this chin chin is that if your recipe is right, your chin chin will be beautiful. You will not struggle at all. You will not struggle at all. and again you can see how easy. So when they are cutting, the chin chin will be going up and down. You won't get it exactly the way you want it. You will just be struggling. Here, right here, you can see the cutting is so easy because the recipe is right. The dough is not too soft, the dough is not too hard, but the dough is just firm. So right now, even when you want to start frying, some people, when the dough like this now, when the dough is like as if it's gumming together, you'll be afraid. Separate it, pour flour, so it will be separate. When it enters the oil, it will not be, it will just gum together, my dear. If your recipe is right, if you adhere to the instructions, I promise you, even though it's gummed together after the cutting, the oil will separate it. That's my own secret. So I don't know how you do yours. So some, even when it is gummed together, it will just be that way and fry. It's not right. So you can see how mine is in that baking tray. So when I start frying, you will see they will start separating by themselves without no stress. You don't need to be the one to use frying spoon to separate them. They will just separate on their own. This happen especially when your recipe is right. When the ingredients, measurement, everything is so accurate. You can see how I'm packing it. The people say, no, pick it one. It's not, no, my dear. Make sure if you want to get this chin chin right, make sure you are taking the right recipe. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use vegetable oil. Please don't go and use anyhow oil. This congealed white oil that people will not eat your chin chin. After these costly recipes, you will now be, chin chin will now be testing somehow. You can see what's going on. I'm just packing it that way, and it's just separating. As it's entering the oil, is separating. As it's entering the oil, is separating. And always test for hotness. Immediately you put your vegetable oil, just add a little and check if the vegetable oil is set already before you start adding many. Immediately you add a little and the chin chin is coming up, popping up, you know that the oil is ready. Just pack more. So right now I have to continue because as I'm cutting, I am frying. Take your time to fry. Please fry your chin chin dry so that you enjoy it and it will last longer. Like this, you can see how beautiful my chin chin is looking so beautiful. So right now I'm repeating the method again. Just imagine. So this is the one we are frying. This one is pretty ready. So that beautiful golden brown is very necessary. Please make sure it's that brown so that after frying, put inside your tight container so that it will last at least for months. You'll still be enjoying the crunchiness if there's anything like that. So that is me now cutting. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching, what are you waiting for? You can be a part of this lovely channel. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you also love. So feel free to be a part of this lovely channel only by clicking on the subscription and also clicking on the notification bell. To be sincere with you, subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my own subscribers, I appreciate. Please, have you liked this video? Have you like, you can see I added a little to check the oil before I continued. So have you liked this? See how it's popping? See how it's separating by itself? That is a secret recipe. So please, if you want to do this chin chin, use the rice recipe. Don't go and use your own recipe and tell me that it's melting, that it's just melting. If I start frying it, it will just melt inside the oil. Please use exactly what you're saying. Use exactly my recipe. Like I said, it's displayed on the beginning of the video, the full measurement. So don't go and use your own measurement and start complaining. Have you liked this video? What are you waiting for? Just give me thumbs up, click like on this video, comment, and feel free to ask questions. Yeah, just feel free to ask questions. I'm planning a giveaway party online. Yes, just a simple giveaway. Please, people should give advice of how you want it to be, how are we going to do it that nobody will be cheated, nobody will feel bad. At least I just want to play equality for this channel. So if you have not joined my new channel, my lifestyle channel, you're missing. Progress Innocence, Mrs. Progress Innocence. Go and join that channel because I will be doing my giveaway there. So you can see the outcome. Thanks for watching.